Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to get energy in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get energy in Dark War Survival. So to get energy in Dark War Survival you can use several methods. Wait for natural regeneration. Energy slowly refills over time while you're playing offline, or being of course offline. Claim free energy from supply station. So you can visit the supply station to collect the free energy. It refreshes twice a day at of course 12 p.m. and 12 a.m. server time. You can use energy items, open the bag and use the stored energy packs or consumables to instantly restore your energy. So that's also what you can of course go and do. Also complete events and daily activities. Many events, daily missions and login rewards grant energy or energy items. Active participation is one of the best free to play methods. Unlock hero bonuses. Some heroes such as Guy can increase your daily free energy and energy recovery speed through their skills. One tip: try to use your energy every day instead of letting it sit at the cap, and save energy items for special events that offer extra rewards for defeating zombies or completing missions. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.